Hello everyone, back here at Gary, trying to see if I can catch a largemouth that is cruising the shallow here. Alright, ready to go. Park further up than usual. But I have a 2-rod combo. I never do this because it's just too much of a hassle, but I am going to do top water with the frog, and I got the Nico Helgramite on this one. You might have noticed as well that I'm using a leader line. I wanted to give it a try on camera. Wanted to see if that's going to really make a difference or not. It's about almost the size of the pole length. So we're gonna see how that fares for me, at least. I wanted to give it a try in front of the camera, so hopefully I don't get stuck. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. There's a lot of structure down here. I understand now why I got stuck. There's the first one. A nice little largie. Bring him up here. Take a look at him. Very nice. Ooh, I didn't hook him all the way. Again, sometimes it's hard to tell. Well, I got him pretty decent. Sometimes it's hard to tell when there's a bite here, because now I can tell why, because of all the structure that's on there. That's a nice size. I'm happy with that. About 12-incher maybe. Little fatty. I love it. So again, I wanted to try the leader line, and I'm using the Nico Helgramite. And again, I'm using it's the Perigee from Kastking 2, a Zypher 4000 reel. And then I use 15-pound braid. A lot of construction or a lot of work going on over there. That's what I'm using. 17 mono on 15-pound braid. The fish there chasing something. And I wanted to try this setup. I used to do 25-pound mono or fluorocarbon, I think they call it. This is a mono, the one I'm using, but I wanted to try the 25-pound just to get the extra strength on it. And yeah, it was just the knot. Like, these have little hoops on them, or guides, and it was just difficult to, you can hear it like bang really hard. I guess I can try top water here as well really quickly, but I'm gonna go back to that side over there. It was a little bit it was more open. I wanted to bring a lure out here, a different one. But I couldn't find it. It was like a little crawl. I see a lot of small largemouth, so I really wouldn't mind using smaller lures, which I did bring some small little crankbaits to see how that fares. Just because I have seen, I saw a crappie last time. I I couldn't really figure it out when I first saw it. I was like, what is that? But the shape, I'm like, I know now, because I caught one in Mexico. And that's the same shape, so I was like, oh, and that was a pretty decent sized one. But I didn't really have anything small enough that he would go after. Alright, we're gonna move on. I'll take a quick walk on the other side, and unfortunately it looks like there's only 2 spots where you can actually fish at. So this one here and that one over there. It's a very secluded area, a little nerve-wracking at times. You're hearing noises sometimes you don't recognize. We'll see what we can do. This over here. I'll get that in a little bit. And then we'll try this out. I think I got one. Yeah, a little tiny one. Yep. Oh. He gone. I think he might still be here, if I'm not mistaken. Thought I felt him here somewhere. Well, caught him, didn't land him, but yeah, that's as big as they were, the ones that were here, so shook me off pretty good. Huh, maybe there is something to this leader line thing, but we'll see. There's a lot of structure, a lot of tires and wood and tree limbs and I don't know what else. Yeah, another little one. Got him. As soon as I felt it, I was like, yep, that was a bite. There it is. Nico Hagermite. And that another 12-incher, 13-incher. Maybe smaller. Not good with measurements off my head. But that's not too bad. That's 2 for today. Alright. Nico Hagermite, even though it's half melted, it's doing his job. Little largemouth looking at the lure. See if he goes after it. Oh, I think he got scared. See how that goes. Seems like a good area. He's still right there. You can barely see him because the waves makes it a little bit difficult to see him. That's a good one. I think it might be the biggest one of the day. It's about the same size as the other one. Almost smacked myself in the face with a largemouth. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's gone. That's alright. Caught him. Yeah, it's about the same size as the other one, so maybe just a tad bigger. There's a little nice one here. See if I can coax him to go after this. Got him. Oh, that was cool. That's the guy that was cruising out. Now I got him on this side to make sure he doesn't get away. Relax, relax, relax. There it is. He was about to get off. So that's my fourth fish that I actually did catch. Almost fell there. Very nice, healthy little guys. Very nice and healthy. Wow. Yeah, I saw him cruising around here and he went under that tire. As soon as I threw that hellgrammite there, he went after it. At first I thought I was snagged because the tires are there, but that was cool. That was cool. All right, time to try topwater. You never know, right? At this point, anything can happen. I'm on my fourth caught fish today. Nice topwater action would be ideal. I'm gonna give this area a couple of tries. I'm gonna fall here. Piece of metal there. Give this area a couple of tries. With topwater, nothing happens. We'll move to that side and then we'll go to that other area in Gary. I don't got too much time today. I gotta go pick up my son from school. So, not much time to fish, but hey. Any little fishing I can do, I am grateful for it, and I will take advantage of it. Got another F-18. That is awesome. Love that. They're gonna land here in the airport. Coming in for the landing, I believe. There's a little spot I like. Never caught anything here. Had a few follows, but I like this spot here. Some really nice bluegill, and then you'll see a bass cruise from time to time here. There's another carp down there, I think. Yeah, that's a humongous carp. Oh, there we go. Hey, that's the first time for everything. Now this is a decent size. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh, no. Hey, much better size there. Almost lost him, so I broke my record, guys. 5 fish in one day off the bank. Nice little largemouth. Really nice fish. Holding it up so everybody can see it. No, but that's pretty cool. I mean, that's a good size. I'm happy with that. Another little largemouth and a bigger one here. Kind of don't want want to scare them, but let's see. They will go after that Nico Helgermite. Sorry, largemouth. I didn't mean to do that actually. I got too excited there for a second. There it goes. Yeah, I got too excited there and I left. I hope he's okay. I think he is. I left him out too long. So finally caught a fish from here and finally caught it on video, because it takes a while. I saw something like a shadowy thing go after or go down right where my lure is at, and I didn't know it was a fish. Gotta watch my step because the water comes up here sometimes, but it's been really low lately. And there's a kayak here with fishing stuff and a seat. I wonder who left that here. Interesting. It's not a kayak, it's a canoe. Try some top water here. Feels good. The water's nice and chilly, so that's good. Extremely deep here as well. And this is the area I wanted to try. A little largemouth there. Got a group of fish here, and I'm getting tied up. Let me see if any of these guys will go after. Grab this one, hopefully they'll like this one better. Got something there and I missed it. Had a good opportunity there. I don't know if that was I don't know what that was. I think he just got the real tail end of it and I missed him. That felt like it was a decent size, so hopefully I get another chance. Alright guys, sorry about that. My battery on my Osmo Action died, but I got a smallmouth. First time ever catching a smallmouth from the bank here, so that is awesome. I'm extremely happy with that, so we're going to go ahead and release him. Beautiful fish. They fight amazingly, and you guessed it, on the Nico Helgermite. That's what they're hitting on right now, so hopefully those big fish come by. If not, no biggie, but I love this. This is fantastic. So guys, I think that's gonna do it for today. If you guys want to see more videos like this, a little bit of exploring and going to the different spots, please like and subscribe. Also leave a comment, positive or negative. I'm more than happy to have feedback. Thanks for watching, and you have a great and blessed day.